create an event on a chart, we'll go to edit of a chart, and in the following chart we will go to the events tab, and here under the event section we will create a following event. So over here in this event log event, so what event we want to create is when we click on this chart, it should open a new window, and what it should open in a new window, we will provide the link of that. Save and exit, and let's preview this dashboard. Now if we'll click on this chart, this will open a report on the click event of the following chart.